Alrighty folks, so it is time for another unboxing video. This time around, we have new and upgraded equipment. So if you guys remember the previous, maybe not even a week ago, we did an unboxing for some equipment that we got from Amazon. Well, guess what? We ended up sending that back, which I didn't agree with. The phone stabilizer felt so cheap, and even the light as well, it felt like it wasn't gonna do enough for me, because the way I record and cover content, if you guys been following us here, following us our other show, the Theimpactplay's cover play for showcasing and highlighting our show and event coverage, I've known I'm gonna doing a lot of indoor shooting, as shooting. Whether it's film, it's gonna be a lot of film as well. So we don't do that many photos, but we do a lot of film. So I felt like I needed better gear, essentially. So we got a lot of unboxing to do as well. We have a couple of Amazon packages that we just got in. We were waiting for everything to come in separately. So everything is essentially here, and we're gonna get into that unboxing shortly after a few words from our sponsors. You want to learn more about us, about Theimpactplay and what we're doing? Simply visit theimpactplay.com. We'll have all our social media handles on top, the platforms we're on, and if you scroll down just a tiny tad bit, you can also check out our other shows. We have Theimpactplay for covering technology and video games, the Theimpactplay Screenplay for covering film and television, plus the Theimpactplay's Cover Play for showcasing and highlighting our event and show coverage. And also, on another note, if you click on the booking tab, you could also book us to cover your next Atlanta event, show, and more. You can learn more by clicking on the booking us to view our services, or even send us a message on WhatsApp, or even an email. In addition to showing or even viewing our latest coverage or even our past coverage as well. You can also check that out. It is at your leisure. In a world where we have less time than ever, sitting reading books, whether it be digital or physical, you can listen to audiobooks with Audible, the most efficient way of consuming books in the modern era. Sign up for your free daily trial and immediately get access to 1 credit. But if you do have Amazon Prime, you can double that, and it's 2 credits, and it's good for any premium title. Simply go to audibletrial.com/Theimpactplay. Once again, that is audibletrial.com/Theimpactplay. Alrighty, folks. Now we're gonna get into the unboxing. So give me 1 second. Let me switch it to open first. This is the latest one that we received, and I'm pretty sure this is the stabilizer. So let's take off the blur, just in case. Just in case, folks. All right, there we go. It is the stabilizer. And do I need this has tape? Nope, it does not. Alrighty, let's see. How does this thing unbox? All right. No, sorry, I spoke too soon. This is the light, the light box. Okay. Oops, sorry. Okay, some instructions. Okay, how-to guides. Wow, this light box is huge. So I was thinking of ordering 2 of the smaller ones, and I thought about it. I'm like, this would suffice a lot better. Okay. Let's see what else we got in this box. Okay. Let's see what these are. This might be the cable. I said might. Let's see. Never mind. This looks like a tripod of some sort. Let me see. I don't even know what came with this, to be honest. Yeah, I was right. It is a tripod. It's a tripod it's a little tripod for the light. That's funny. It's a little tripod for the light. Okay. What else is here? Oh, so this is a USB A to USB C type cable. And what's in this one? Huh. A hot shoe to a 3.5 adapter, I guess you could say. Yeah, here it is. Okay. Yeah. And let me see how this works. Okay, there's a screen in the back that says, well, knobs and LCD screen, brightness and color. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. It shows the brightness as well, 100%. Let's see, color. Oh, okay. Yeah, the increases and decreases. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. So you can change it from yellow to white, essentially. That's the brightest. And you can decrease the brightness as well. So this feels a lot like the quality's done a lot. Like it feels a lot better built to it than the one I had previously. Okay. So apparently it looks like there's a micro a USB for input and 5 volt or 3 amps for the USB C. It's interesting. Okay. All right, and now let's see what else we got here. So I'm pretty sure this is the phone mount, the gimbal. Uh, yeah. Yep, universal phone cage kit with dual handle. Nor, nor. So this has tape, so I need my handy dancy blade, knife, whatever you call it. Okay, let's see what we got. Come on. I don't know how I literally just cut my nails though. Uh, okay, come on. Okay, are you ready? There you have it. Let's get to the unboxing now. Oh wow, these handles feel so much better alone than the entire gizmo that I had previously. Like whoa, these feel so good. Okay, there's two of them. Okay, take the styrofoam from in between. Come on. Yeah, and you're not gonna come out. Okay, I'm gonna use two hands on this. Okay. Okay, one, two. Let's see what else we got. Okay, and here's the cage itself, bubble wrapped. Wow, this definitely feels a lot better. This feels a lot more sturdy. Like it doesn't feel cheap, and it's metal. It's a metal frame. Nice. Sheesh. And of course, it has the phone mount as well, which we could probably adjust. Let me see. Yeah, you can. So everything's essentially metal. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, literally, pretty much self explanatory. Like wow. So put it in the middle, I guess. Hmm. I guess I'll figure this out. Yeah, self explanatory. This is an instruction manual, but I don't need it at all. Like, sheesh. Uh, oops. Sorry for that. That in the middle. This definitely help a lot better for covering content. Because instead of putting it on a tripod, I could keep it on this thingy. This is interesting. Wow, this is a lot heavier than I thought. I wish I could twist it. So I think I just need one of them. Like, literally. Oh, wait, look! Look, I can't twist it. I was right. Look, look. Okay, so I'll figure that out. This feels so good. Okay, next up, what else we got? Or should I say last up? I'm pretty sure this is the shoe and object thingy that I got. Let me see if this is useful. Okay. This is, I think it's from the same brand, newer. Yeah, same brand. Surprisingly. Come on. Wow, like really, really, like so paint secure. Yeah, it just has tape on it too. So, Blade it is. Not the movie Blade. Or the character Blade, I should say. Okay, let's see. Sheesh, what did I drop? An Allen key. Okay, huh? Instruction manual as well. Let's see. This feels so small. So each one is individually wrapped in plastic on top of bubble wrap as well. So I got two of these. And this is metal too. Interesting. So I feel like I could use that with this. Let me see. I think this is compatible. Uh, Come on. Yeah, I was right. It is compatible. Nice. Okay. Nice. I was right. Right there it is. Wow. I just wish that this I could twist it like automatically instead of manually each time. Okay. So I definitely, it looks like I can move this up and down. Oh yeah, I was right. I can move this up and down too. Come on. There we go. Okay. But it's not like secure. I'm pretty sure I could tighten this out with the Allen key. Interesting. Let me try it. But this is a small Allen key. Let me see. There's two apparently in this one. Um, Plastic feels so damn cheap. Let me see. Sheesh. Wow, these Allen keys are thin like crazy. Yeah, it's not gonna fit in there. I need a much bigger Allen key. I don't think it has an Allen key. This one. We unboxed everything. Yeah, I don't see nothing. But I will figure it out. Try to make as comfortable as possible. But yeah. I want to definitely put this more inside. This way, it's like it'll be more comfortable, I guess you could say. But yeah, like literally. So this new gear and equipment looks very, very promising. So for those of you who have been listening to the audio experience, I try to visualize as much as I can for you guys to get that for you to fully experience this episode. Be sure to check out the video podcast that will be available on youtube.com/@Theimpactplay. Be sure to hit the like, hit the subscribe, and definitely hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss a beat. So otherwise, that's gonna be it. I'm sure you subscribe, like, join on Discord as well. Where I do happen every now and then I chat with our community as well. Theimpactplay.com, Discord icon. Click on that; it'll take you right to it. All in all, let me see. Feedback. If you want to send us feedback that could be featured on the show, we go to the Theimpactplay.com/feedback. Or click on the feedback tab. And also, when you do send us feedback, let us know where in the world you are listening to us, how you find us as well, and what do you think about this episode, what do you think about our content, our coverage, and so on. Or you want to send us general feedback as well, you could do so accordingly. Excuse me. I keep burping. Sheesh. Otherwise, that's going to be it, folks. Leave us a review or even a rating on whatever platform you're listening to this on. If you're listening to this on YouTube, be sure to let us know in the comment section what you think about this episode as well. You have that option. That's going to be it, folks. Be sure to leave us a review or a rating whatever platform you're on. It will definitely help us out a ton. It's one of the many free ways you can go out and support us here on the show. It'll help even more viewers, even more listeners just like you help find us here for the very first time. So thank you guys so much. That's gonna be a wrap, folks. I believe. Yeah, that's gonna be it, folks. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like I said, if you didn't enjoy it, find this helpful, intuitive, and entertaining, let us know how you benefited from this episode down in the comment section down below. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and we'll see you all on the next one.